In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set match notifications on FIFA World Cup app. Let's get started. First, launch your FIFA World Cup app. Make sure you are already logged into your FIFA account. This helps the app sync your preferences and deliver personalized alerts. Now navigate to the main homepage. Then click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now head over to the option, Settings and Privacy. Now click on the option Notifications. From here you can easily customize notification. Enable for all these options. Likewise, click on the option Tournament Match Alerts. Then check in for all these options. Now toggle on for the option Activate All Notifications. Once enabled, the app will start sending alerts for upcoming games, live match starts, goals, and final results. After that, make sure your phone itself allows notifications for the FIFA World Cup app. To check that, go to Settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Notification. From the list of apps, find FIFA World Cup and launch it. Toggle on for the option Allow Notification. And you are good to go. So this way you can easily set mass notification on FIFA World Cup app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.